Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Cytoscape tutorial series. In this video, we'll take a quick tour around Cytoscape's interface, explore its built-in tools, learn how to customize the look of our networks, and run a quick network analysis. Let's get started! When you first open Cytoscape, you'll see a few main parts of the interface. At the very top is the menu bar, where you can find options like File, Edit, Layout, Apps, Tools, and Help. Right below that is the toolbar. It gives you quick access to tools like zooming, saving, or fitting the network view to the screen. On the left side, you'll see the control panel. This is where you'll manage networks, styles, and filters. Networks, styles, or filters. And of course, this is where also your open apps will appear. The center of the screen is the network canvas. This is where your visualized network will appear. And finally, at the bottom, you'll find the table panel here, which shows data tables for nodes, edges, and the whole network. Each of these parts work together to help you analyze your networks easily. So let's try loading a real biological network. To do that, I'll simply type HSPA 9, which is actually the gene name for mortalin, into the search bar in the network panel. Then, I'll adjust the settings, like the number of interactors. Here, I'll maximize that. And confidence score to refine the network that I want to load. Once everything looks good, I'll click on this. And Cytoscape will load the interaction network straight to the canvas. As you can see, HSPA9 appear in the center surrounded by its protein interactors. We'll be using this network throughout the series, so feel free to follow along using the same one. Now that the network is loaded, let's try customizing how it looks. On the left side, under the Style tab in the control panel, you'll see different visual options. You can change the node color, shape, and size, or customize the edges and labels here. So right now we're on the node panel. This is the edge and network panel. For example, to map node color manually, select the nodes you want to customize. You can click them one by one, like this. Then click on Shift. Or, you can also try to press on Control plus left click on your mouse and drag across the nodes. Like that. Then click the color box beside fill color here, right under the bypass column. Choose your color. Choose a color you like and then hit OK. Here. Let's try color pink. Then OK. You can also do the same for the edge color by switching to the edge table at the bottom and following the similar steps. All of these visual changes help make your network clearer and easier to interpret, since you can actually put emphasis on a node if you want to. If your network looks cluttered, don't worry, because Cytoscape also has great layout tools. Just go to the top menu and then click on Layout. So let's try Previous Force Directed. Here, none. There. This layout spreads nodes out with a nice spacing. You can also try grid layout where it aligns everything into neat rows and columns. So you should try different layouts until your network looks clean and readable. So now, let's explore one of Cytoscape's most useful built-in tools, the Network Analyzer. Once again, go to the top menu, click Tools, and then click on Analyze Network. A dialog box will ask if your network is directed or undirected. For protein-protein interactions like this one, select on undirected and then click OK. Or rather, don't select the box and then click on OK. Cytoscape will now calculate several key network statistics like node degree, clustering coefficient, betweenness, centrality, and more. These values are now added to the node table here. Node table also for the edge. You can now export this file or rather this data into a file by clicking on this button. So, that wraps up our tour of Cytoscape's interface, visualization tools, and built-in network analyzer. In the next video, we'll dig into StringDB and learn how to use it effectively to explore protein-protein interactions in more detail. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more bioinformatics tutorials. See you in the next one.